Part of the reason I really enjoy working for Edison is that we are so committed to environmental stewardship, and we really put our money where our mouth is. This is our Kaiser Meadow, 9,000 foot elevation in the Central Sierras. This is the pristine habitat of the Yosemite toad. It is protected by the Endangered Species Act. They do their breeding in these meadows. As they leave the meadow, they cross the road, and then ultimately a lot of them are struck by vehicles. We have a road use permit with the Forest Service that gives us access to get to our facilities deeper into the backcountry that has a variety of requirements in it, including protection measures. So this is an example of one of our toad escape ramps. This allows them to escape back into the meadow and get off of the roads. A lot of us, especially here in Big Creek, we live here. We live on this mountain, in this forest, and we're passionate about it, and we want to protect it and keep it in a good condition.